Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the third part of our 100 most important verb series. If you haven't watched the first and second, I'll share the link in the description box. So, let's get started. First verb, passe, which means to pass or to spend time. Restez, to stay. Demandez, demandez, to ask. Arrivez, to arrive. Semblez, to seem. Connaître, to know. Montrer, to show. Entendre, to hear. Appeler, to call. Arrêter, to stop. Let's repeat once more and you can repeat after me. Passe, to pass or spend time. Restez, to stay. Demandez, to ask. Arrivez, to arrive. Semblez, to seem. Connaître, to know. Montrer, to show. Entendre, to hear. Appeler, to call. And arrêter, to stop. Let's discuss these verbs with the help of examples. And for your convenience, I have conjugated the verb in the description box. You can check that out. First verb, passé. Je passe beaucoup de temps à lire. I spend a lot of time reading. Je passe beaucoup de temps à lire. Second example, ils passent leurs vacances à la plage. They pass their vacation at the beach. Ils passent leurs vacances à la plage. Second verb, rester. Nous restons à la maison ce week-end. We stay at home this weekend. Nous restons à la maison ce week-end. Another example, combien de temps restez-vous ici? How long you have been living here? Combien de temps restez-vous ici? How long you have been living here? Third verb, demander, to ask. Elle demande des conseils à ses parents. She asks her parents for advice. Elle demande des conseils à ses parents. She asks her parents for advice. Second example, nous demandons l'heure à un passant, passerby. We ask time to passerby. Nous demandons l'heure à un passant. Correct? Then, arriver, to arrive. Ils arrivent à l'heure à l'aéroport à midi, afternoon. They reach the airport at noon or in the afternoon. Ils arrivent à l'aéroport à midi. Second example, quand est-ce que tu arrives chez moi? Chez moi means my house. When are you coming to my home? Quand est-ce que tu arrives chez moi? Sembler, to seem. Il semble fatigué, tired. He seems tired. Il semble fatigué. Another one, ça me semble difficile. It seems difficult for me. Ça me semble difficile. It seems difficult for me. I hope this is clear. Okay, let's discuss remaining verbs. So, in the first slide, we have discussed till semble. Next verb is connaître. Je connais bien cette ville. I know this city well. Je connais bien cette ville. Je connais bien cette ville. I know this city well. Another example, nous connaissons les règles du jeu. We know the rules of the game. Rule the game. We know the rules of the game. Next verb is montre, to show. Elle montre la photo à ses amis. She shows the photo to her friends. Elle montre la photo à ses amis. Other example, il nous montre le chemin. DOP. They shows us the way. They shows us the way. They show us the way, sorry. They show us the way or path. They show us the way. Another example, another verb is entendre. Entendre is to hear. Je n'entends pas bien cette musique. I do not hear well this music. Je n'entends pas bien cette musique. Other example, nous entendons des oiseaux chanter le matin. We hear oiseaux. We hear the birds singing in the morning. Nous entendons des oiseaux chanter le matin. Appeler, to call. Je t'appelle demain. Again, DOP. I'll call you tomorrow. Je t'appelle demain. Elle appelle son ami pour lui dire la nouvelle. Nouvelle is news. Nouvelle is new also, but here it's a news. She calls her friend for telling him the news. Elle appelle son ami pour lui dire la nouvelle. Correct? Last one is arrêter, to stop. Il faut arrêter de fumer. He should stop smoking, or we should stop smoking. Nous arrêtons la voiture devant la magasin. Magasin is shop. We stop the car in front of the shop. Nous arrêtons la voiture devant le magasin. I hope these verbs are clear. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.